All right, this tutorial is for the West Adams Preparatory High. Um, this is the SketchUp login tutorial. So type in the URL for SketchUp.com, and once you are here and you see this screen, click on Sign In. And you can sign in with your Google account. You can use your school one. That's fine. It's free. I already have an account through the college. So I'm going to sign in with my account. So once you sign in, you'll be taken to a different page. It'll look like this. Hover over products, go to Create, go to SketchUp for Web, click on SketchUp for Web, and then go to Start Modeling. This will take a bit. This is actually pretty normal. So just wait for this to appear. You'll probably see a different screen. You'll see a button that says Start Modeling. Click on that button that says Start Modeling. And once you click that button that says Start Modeling, you'll see something that will load up, and you'll see something like this. Well, you're not going to see little houses like this, but you'll definitely see like a man right here in this location, in between these axes, and that's it. And so that's it for how to log in into SketchUp. So if you click up here, this is your usual suspects for saving your files. So you can save as different things. If you want to start a new file, you can create a new model. You can open a different one. You can export your file into various things. We'll get into that later. But for now, this is how you log in.